So, in the last video, we have discussed about Google Docking and GitHub Docking. Actually, I want to stop the video in the mid due to some network issues. So, no worries, let me continue the part 3 of day 5 video. Okay, so in HackerOne, just go to activity page. Here, just search for API. No, just search for talk. Mm, 1 second. Okay, expose to CD and access token. Or let me search for GitHub. Okay, GitHub Doc. Yes, Google Doc leads to unsubscribe to anyone from the all backfield emails. Okay. Then mystery with the leaked token and reusability of email confirmation leads to account takeover. Critical server misconfiguration leads to access the user sensitive data. Hacker 100K CTF write up. Okay, let me check each the report. It's hidden. Close it. Yeah, here is an example for Google Docking. So do a Google Doc site colon info.banfield.com. Click on the second link that will redirect to this link for this page. Put authenticated user's email and confirmation. This will lead to unsubscribe from the Banfield email. So the Google Docking will not only exposing the sensitive data, uh, rather than we can also build a chain of vulnerability. Google Docking leads to sensitive data information exposure, or Google Docking leads to, in this case, Google Docking leads to unsubscribe anyone from the all Banfield email. Okay, so we can build a chain of vulnerabilities using Google Docking or GitHub Docking. If we got any API key or any session tokens from GitHub Docking, you can make a chain of vulnerability like session token exposure or API token exposure leads to account takeover. Okay, so we can build a chain of vulnerability using Google Docking or GitHub Docking. Mystery with a leaked token key and reusability of email confirmation link leads to account takeover. It's also, I think, a Google Docking. Let me zoom it. Yeah, site colon zorare.com in URL token. It's also Google Docking method and the bounty is $300. Okay, so if we're learning anything, for example, today we learned Google Docking and GitHub Docking now. So if you're learning anything, just search the same topic in the HackerOne also. You can get so many reports and you can follow the same step on your target also. For example, in this one, we can see the site zorare.com. So we can go for site colon reddit.com. If that is my target, we can use site colon reddit.com in URL token. Or if my target is LinkedIn, you can go for site colon linkedin.com in URL token. And you can follow the same procedure that which this report mentioned. Okay, so you can see the ID here and just copy this ID and search in the HackerOne or HackerOne report ID. Then type this number. You can get this report POC. Okay. So if you studying any vulnerability today, we learned about Google Docking and GitHub Docking. So you can search the similar thing in the HackerOne, read the similar reports, and you try to reproduce with your target. Okay. So most of the reports are kept private, but There are few reports which is public also, so you can use the steps, complete steps. Okay, I think this will help you. This report will help you in the account takeover. Okay, fine. And what is this one? Okay, it's got hidden. No issues. Okay, fine. Yeah, most only few things are got hidden, others are available. You can check that also. Okay, so in the last class we have also discussed about Wayback Machine, or also known as Wayback URLs. This is the site. Just visit that. Okay. So Wayback Machine or Wayback URLs is a achieves billions of web pages. It consists of billions of achieved websites, which allow the users to access the historical version of a website. It can be valuable from a record by revealing the past configuration, content, and functionality of the target site. For example, Reddit.com. This is the current user interface of Reddit.com. Okay, so here we can search for Reddit.com. We can see a timeline. Okay, for example, today is March 17th, and we can check for here. Yeah, 2020 Reddit.com user interface. Okay, 2020 March 70. Here is one snapshot available. Just click that. Just wait. Okay, this is the user interface of Reddit.com at the time of 2010 March 17th. Okay, so one second. So here, this is the latest updated one. It captures and stores the screenshot or snapshot of the reddit.com at various points of time, which allow the users to access the historical versions. And we can study the changes in the website or online content, or we can retrieve the information from website that may not longer exist. For example, here in 2000, it's just an example, so consider this scenario. In 2010, here this is a link for admin login. Okay, for example, this is the link for admin login in 2010, but in 2024 there is no link for admin login directly. So we can use this thing. Let me copy this link, copy link, and open in another tab. Reddit.com submit is that thing. Okay, let me paste the link here. If the link is valid, yeah, this is the link now. Okay, in 2010 the link looked like this one, and 2024 it looked like this. It's a post uploading form. Okay, so in our example, suppose in our example, this one second, admin login. In 2010, we can see an admin login page or an admin login link in the dashboard of the Reddit site. And in 2024, there is no link in the dashboard or home page. Okay, but in 2010 there is a link which will redirect us to the admin login or admin dashboard. Okay, so admin dashboard is the most confidential page, right? So what I'm doing that, I'll copy this link and paste it in the our browser. Okay, So there is two chances. I can get or I can open this page and see the dashboard, or I don't have a permission or it got removed. Maybe the page got removed or link got revoked. Okay. But if the page is still available, we can see the dashboard in the in 2024. We can report that, right? I'll repeat again once again. For example, in by using web archive or wayback URLs, we got a confidential link. For example, admin dashboard. Okay, but this link is removed from 2024's website. There is no link here. Okay, so what I'm doing that I'm copying this link and paste it in the 2024's browser. When I'm opening this, I'm getting a dashboard, admin dashboard. Okay, so in this scenario, there is no link in the main page of Reddit, but the link is still active. Hope you understood what I am saying. One second. Okay, so if you visited a confidential page link in 2010 using Wayback Machine and found the same page in 2024 using that link, we can report those things to the Reddit site. Okay, so first thing we have to do, explore all the contents in this site. Not in the site, in this page of reddit.com of the Wayback Machine. Okay, and take a note on relevant details that may be useful for our purpose. Okay, keep in mind the confidentiality of the information on the page. Ensure that you are using the information ethically and accordance with the confidentiality agreement. Okay, so by following this step, you can effectively use the confidential link from previous years in the Wayback Machine archive in the 2024. We can use, for example, you can use 2010 link in the 2024 page while respecting confidentiality and legal consideration. I hope you understood the concept how we can use Wayback Machine as a bug bounty hunter. So first thing, you have to visit the site in Wayback Machine of a particular date in the past and visit all the links, all the pages which is available there. So, and compare this website with the current site. If there is any missing link, check whether those links contain any confidential information or not. Okay, fine. Then we can go with the Shodan, Census, Pacebin, Netcraft, who is Robtex. Okay, I'll discuss these things in the next video. Okay, so the next video will upload by tomorrow, I mean March 18th, 10 p.m. If you have any doubt, you can ping me in the WhatsApp. And if you are okay with this topic, today's topic, just post the link articles or post a link, publish a post in the LinkedIn. Okay, we have learned about Google Docking, GitHub Docking, and Wayback Machine. These three things that we learned today. So publish an article or publish a post on the LinkedIn. So that's all for this session. Thank you.